Hey there, future YouTube millionaires. Welcome to More Funds. Are you tired of hearing that you need to create videos to make money on YouTube? What if I told you there's a way to cash in on the YouTube gold rush without ever hitting the record button? You heard right. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret to making money on YouTube without ever creating a video. We're talking about leveraging the platform in ways you've probably never even considered. And the best part, you can start today. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to make YouTube work for you. Let's kick things off with method number 1, affiliate marketing. Imagine this, you're recommending a product you love and every time someone buys it through your link, you get a cut of the profit. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell, and it's a gold mine on YouTube. Find a niche you're passionate about and sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon. Create a YouTube channel dedicated to your niche. Design an awesome channel banner and write a killer channel description packed with your affiliate links. The key here is to provide value. Write detailed product descriptions, compare different products, or curate lists of your favorite things. Ready for method number 2? Let's talk about sponsorships and product placements. Brands are willing to shell out big bucks to get their products in front of the right audience. You can still partner with brands to promote their products or services on your channel without ever hitting record. Offer brands the opportunity to display their logos on your channel banner, in your channel description, or even in your video descriptions. Build a niche channel with a clear target audience. Brands want to know they're reaching the right people. Reach out to them with a professional pitch, highlighting your channel's growth potential and how their brand would benefit from partnering with you. Moving on to method number 3, YouTube Premium Revenue. Did you know you can make money from YouTube Premium subscribers even without creating videos? If you own the rights to music or other content, you can upload it to YouTube and start earning. People pay for YouTube Premium to enjoy ad-free listening and background play. If you have a library of royalty-free music, sound effects, or even audiobooks, you can upload them to YouTube and start earning royalties every time a premium subscriber listens to your content. The beauty of this method is that it's completely passive. Once your content is uploaded, it can keep generating revenue for you in the background. Just make sure you have the rights to use and monetize the content before you upload it to YouTube. Last but not least, let's talk about method number 4, YouTube AdSense. You know those ads that play before, during, or after YouTube videos? Well, you can actually earn money from those ads even if you don't create your own videos. Create a YouTube channel and enable AdSense. Instead of uploading your own videos, curate playlists of other people's videos in your niche. Make sure you have permission to use their videos. When people stumble upon your channel and start watching your awesome curated playlists, ads will play, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. The key to success with this method is to create highly engaging playlists that keep people hooked. And there you have it, folks. 4 incredible ways to make money on YouTube without creating videos. Remember, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, creativity, and a little bit of hustle. But the best part is, you can do it. With a little ingenuity and a lot of passion, you can turn this platform into your own personal money-making machine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Oh, and before you go, click the link below to download our free guide to getting started. It's packed with even more secrets to YouTube success.